No problem.
Get in, brother.
I can't hear. Can you type in the chat?
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah, yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit? Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Abby? Was it Dante? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I can change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVB. We got members west of 401. We got a lock on the thing, but it's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
749, Officer Dusami Hayes. We have a civilian over at PD who wants to do a chase roleplay.
Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake a dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the run, show the whole world. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me.